Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your speaker Sony ULT FIELD 7. You have to start by open Sony Music Center application, and if you add your speaker to the application you will see this menu. Now you need to go down and click at the settings. Then go to sound, and firstly we need to click at the sound effect and select custom. After that, right here at the top, we can create custom preset. Let's open it. Now, you can make something good for you. Let's say that's okay for me. And to save it, you need to go back. Now, if you return here and I will change something, I click undo and it will return to the last option. So we make something like, let's change it to something like this one. And now if I return and go back, change something, click undo, as you can see now this is my custom preset. And now let's make something good. Let's say that's would be good for me, and now go back. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.